Hello scientists, in this video I would like to show you how to write a formula that you can use to instruct a spreadsheet to calculate an average of a set of data you've entered into the spreadsheet. So what you see on the screen here is a very small set of data. It shows 3 trials that measured the time it takes to eat one fun-sized pack of Skittles in seconds. And we want to tell the spreadsheet to take those 3 numbers and find the average. Okay? Now remember, an average is the sum of a group of numbers divided by how many numbers you had in the group. Okay? So we got 3 numbers, we got to add them up and divide by 3. We are going to put our formula into cell E3 right there under average because that's where we want the spreadsheet to show the average. So we type the formula in there. Okay? And all spreadsheet formulas start with an equal sign. So that's how we're going to start our formula. If you look up here in the FX or formula bar, you will start to see the formula we write appear here as well. Okay? So the first thing we're going to include in our formula is parentheses. Okay? If you put something in parentheses in a spreadsheet formula, the parentheses tell the spreadsheet to do that math first. Okay, so we want the spreadsheet to add the numbers before any division happens. So we'll put the addition part of the formula in parentheses. And we want the spreadsheet to add up the numbers in cells B3, C3, and D3. Okay, so instead of just typing in 12.2 and 14.5 and 11.9, we're going to put the actual cell address where you find those numbers into our formula. That way, if we change the numbers later, it can still calculate the average for us. So our first cell address is B3. That's where the trial 1 average is. We're going to use a plus sign to tell the spreadsheet to add. The second trial is in C3. Type in C3, another plus sign. And then here's a cool feature. You can just click on a cell and it will add it to your formula as well. And then I'm going to close my parentheses. Okay. So far my formula says take whatever numbers are in cells B3, C3, and D3 and add them up. Then I want to tell the spreadsheet to divide that number, whatever it is, by 3. And the symbol that a spreadsheet recognizes for divide is a backslash. So that backslash tells the spreadsheet, take that sum and divide it by whatever comes after the backslash, which in this case is going to be 3, since there's 3 numbers. And that's it. I have programmed the spreadsheet to add up the numbers in cells B3, C3, and D3, divide that sum by 3, and get an average. If I hit return, it will display my average for me, 12.9 seconds. Okay? Now, if I click back on cell E3, it'll show the formula up here in the formula bar again if I want to edit it. If I double click on cell E3, it'll show the formula both in E3 and up in the formula bar, and I can edit it as well. Note that you can see the spreadsheet has identified the cells involved in the formula, and they're color-coded by cell address here. That's how you write an average formula. Hope this helps. Thanks.